Jouer.
means to play. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to play in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the verb and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. Now, we have the subject pronoun, the verb and the future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will play.
Je jouerai.
You will play. Informal way.
Tu joueras.
He will play. Masculine.
Il jouera.
She will play. Feminine.
Elle jouera.
We will play. Formal way.
Nous jouerons.
You will play. Formal way.
Vous jouerez.
They will play. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils joueront.
They will play. Group of only females.
Elles joueront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will play football with my friends tomorrow.
Je jouerai au football avec mes amis demain. Je jouerai au football avec mes amis demain.
You will play music at the concert.
Tu joueras de la musique lors du concert. Tu joueras de la musique lors du concert.
He will play chess with his grandfather.
Il jouera aux échecs avec son grand-père. Il jouera aux échecs avec son grand-père.
She will play tennis this afternoon.
Elle jouera au tennis cet après-midi. Elle jouera au tennis cet après-midi.
We will play cards tonight.
Nous jouerons aux cartes ce soir. Nous jouerons aux cartes ce soir.
You will play basketball at the park.
Vous jouerez au basketball au parc. Vous jouerez au basketball au parc.
They will play volleyball on the beach.
Ils joueront au volleyball sur la plage. Ils joueront au volleyball sur la plage.
They will play hide and seek in the garden.
Elles joueront à cache-cache dans le jardin. Elles joueront à cache-cache dans le jardin.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je jouerai. Tu joueras. Il jouera. Elle jouera. Nous jouerons. Vous jouerez. Ils joueront. Elles joueront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.